Hey, one of the things that we can do when we have a home that we're putting on the market is we can rehab and then put it in the market afterwards with a team that I work with called maxhouseprice.com. And what they do is they come in and redo the kitchen, as you can see over my shoulder here. We're gonna pull all these cabinets out, potentially do some new flooring down here as well. And then we're gonna repaint the whole house on the interior, nice bright colors. We're gonna mute them down a little bit. And so what that's gonna do is present a product that we're gonna get a lot more money for than what we would get if we don't do these things. The good thing about Max House and organizations like that is they do the work and then you get paid, they get paid at the end of settlement, so it's no money out of the seller's pocket. The challenge would be if there's enough equity, and this house, there is enough equity for the owners to be able to do that. Okay, so we're about to start working on this grand unit in Woodbridge. As you can see, we got some walls we're gonna be repainting. We're gonna be taking those down to a more neutral color. And I just wanna walk through very quickly as we take a look at what we're gonna be working on. As you can see, we're already starting to do work on the walls and get that pre-work done here. I love this. People that have the measurements of their kids that they've grown over the years, that is pretty cool. So definitely we're gonna be sanding down the trim on this, getting it down to a point where they can put some nice paint on it. And then we're gonna be wiping out the stuff here in the kitchen, taking these boards out here, eventually going to put some new flooring in, and then we're gonna put the granite as well up on here with a new sink. Take about 3 weeks to get this done. If you're looking to try to make this happen for your house, we can make that happen, particularly for those who are investing, who've had a rental for quite a while. We can get our team in here, make this happen, and get it so that we can get a little more money for you on the day of settlement rather than just putting it on the market as is, which you can do that. If we can put in new paint, we can put in new shelving, we can put in new appliances, those types of things. The investment's definitely going to come back to you. Here we go, okay. We've already got the cabinets out, and we've got the appliances pulled away from the wall. We're gonna put in all new cabinets. It's gonna look really, really great. So I'll be checking back with you as we go through this process so you can see how we could work on your house to get it ready for the market and see how this is gonna end up when we get finished. I know it's gonna look great. Take care. All right, we're coming along here on the property here in Woodbridge. You can see we've got these colors changed out now a little bit more to something cool, neutral. No grays everywhere, but gray really helps everything pop when you move everything in. So we're able to keep some of the stuff here, like this chandelier here, just change the lights out. And so that's gonna look really good when we get finished with it. But I'll just kind of walk through here a little bit and see where, yeah, it's all getting gray, but it's it's coming out really well. And this is the kitchen. This is the flooring, the new flooring that we looked at. Very nice, high quality. This is how big they are right here. A nice luxury vinyl plank. We've got the counters here. And now right behind me, you can see we've got all the cabinets. So they're gonna work on that tomorrow to get this up here. And I'm just very excited about how this is coming along. They're doing a great job with maxhouseprice.com in getting this place ready. So we'll take a look at a couple of the other rooms, and then we'll come back when it's finished up, and then I'll get my professional photographers out here when we're done, and that'll be at the end of the video.